All right, everyone. So welcome to, what we have left of this last quarter of school. This is definitely going to be a little bit different, but with the amount of videos I already do for you guys, I still think we can get some good stuff learned in Inventor and continue with the projects, at least to some extent, that we're going to do to begin with. The first thing I'm going to want you to do is you need to go out and you need to download Autodesk Inventor. So to do that, we're just going to start right here. I like using Chrome. I think most of you guys do too. So I'm going to go to Google Chrome and I'm going to click. Once Chrome comes up, I'm going to type Autodesk free. And I've already typed that once before, so you'll see it. Student software. Whoops, if I can type. Autodesk free student software. And just search for that. And it's that first one that comes up right there. Free student software downloads. Autodesk Education. So I'm going to click on it. Once this comes up, let me maximize this for you. Once this comes up, obviously, I already said it, we want to load Inventor. So I'm going to click on Inventor here. Here, most of you probably do not have an account created yet. If you do, if you've downloaded AutoCAD in the past, you're going to have to remember how to sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you're going to come over here, you're going to go create account. And you're going to start at the top, just answering these questions. It's pretty much like anything you're going to do for anything. If I type a U here, I think it's going to go to United States. We're not Uganda. We are the United States. Educational role. I'm going to do this as I was you guys. So I'm going to go to student. Institutional type is a high school or secondary, and then put in your date of birth. I'm going to put in my date of birth, but year, I'm going to put in what you guys might be. What are you, 2004-ish? Probably? Something like that. 2004. And I'm going to go next. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in the information here. I'm going to go Darren Worcester, email. Go ahead and use your school email. It's going to want that school address on there when you do this. So make sure you use that. And I'm just thinking about this. Mine may not create because I've already have an account with this. So this may not work. Oh yeah, that user already exists. So I'm not going to be able to show you this step. Oh, let me see. I might try my wife's email. And don't email my wife for this. You could see in her email, I guess, but I don't think she's going to do anything with it. Gosh, if I can type. All right. Oh, and there I have my little typo. ChristyWorcester1 at gmail.com. ChristyWorcester1 at gmail.com. Okay. Password. All right. You're going to have to create a password there. And sure, agree to their terms and use and create an account. Okay, so now I have to check my inbox for that. There, I'm going to go ahead and save my password here for that here. And I'm going to go ahead and pause my video and go check that account and get that email. So 1 second. Okay, so I went ahead and I went out there and I did log on to my wife's email. So now once you're here, verification required, we have to go back here to my Gmail is where I went. And this is the email I got from Autodesk. And all I have to do is please create your Autodesk account, ChristyWorcester1 at gmail.com by confirming your address. So I'm going to go verify email. And single account gives you access to all the Autodesk products. And go done. Okay, so now I have to go through here and start filling out this information. So, name of educational institution. Obviously, I think you guys can handle this. Northwest High School. Area of study. Oh, okay, here we go. Architecture, engineering, construction. Yeah, I think that's the best. Enrolled for the month of... Oh, enrolled from. Okay. We're just going to say my wife was enrolled from the start of this year. From August 2019. And then graduation date. Put that in. And that would be an important step for you. So let's say she's going to graduate in... When do you guys graduate? 22, I guess. Let's go May of 2022. And I'm going to go next. Your account is now updated. All right, so let's continue. All right, so let's see what we got. So I've got all that done. Now let's take a look here. Version, what do I want? I want the 2020 AutoCAD Professional. Operating system, Windows 64-bit is what all your laptops are going to be. Language, let's make sure we go English. And here we go. It's a 10.6 gigabyte install, relatively large. It's going to take a while to download. And all you need to do is click on install now. So here's kind of what you're going to do. You're receiving a 1-year educational license. Installation restrictions apply. Managing licenses for multiple. Okay, we're going to do this one right here. But we're just going to click on install now. I actually don't want to click on install now on mine because I already have it installed on this computer and it's really just going to mess with that. So you guys would just click install now here. And it should go through there and do that. It says here an email containing the license information has been sent to you. If I don't see that, check my spam. So I'll need to do this and take care of some of that business. Now, I haven't done all these steps. I know several of your classmates have, but I haven't done all these steps because I haven't actually installed it on one. What I might do is I might try to install it. I have a laptop here that I don't have it on, so I may try to install it to that laptop just to make sure I know all those next steps you guys are going to go through. But from here, I know several of your classmates already have this installed, so if that's one of you, you have nothing to do right now. But I know you can work your way through it. If you have some friends you know that have it installed, maybe text them and see what they did and how they made their way through this. I know some people have told me, but maybe they've gotten rid of this with all this stuff with schools going on right now. But I know some people have told me they had to send in like a screenshot of their school ID off of Student View. So that may be a thing you have to do. Right now I'm not seeing that, but obviously I haven't gone all the way here. So give this a shot and try to get Inventor installed. And your lesson next week, we're going to jump right into it and try to get started on our next little activity that we're going to do. So good luck. Stay safe. Stay away from people. Social distance, that's a good thing. And we're going to make it through this. Hope you guys all have a great rest of the year, and we'll keep in touch. Thanks. Bye.